In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 foolproof compliments to make any woman fall head over heels for you. Today, I have one of the best tips to share with you, so let's get right into it. Imagine for a moment that you knew exactly what to say to a woman you're into something that would drive her crazy for you. If you had that power in your hands, how would you use it? I can assure you that if you really knew the kind of compliments women love and expect from you, you'd be surprised, and even if a girl is already attracted, terrific. But if not, I'll show you how to change that with a few compliments that are true master keys. You want to know how to make her fall in love with you? The secret, darling, is that complimenting in a genuine and deep way can truly create a special connection. It's not just about making her like you, but about building a real bond. Are you ready to put this into practice and watch the magic happen? Before we start, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, give it a like and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Let me share a secret. Compliments number 1 with you. Complimenting someone goes way beyond just saying nice things. It's about making the person feel like you truly see who they are, and there's a right way to do it. A way that hits deep, right in her subconscious, making her want to be around you, craving every bit of your attention. So I decided to share some solid tricks with you. These are the types of compliments that leave women simply charmed and obsessed with you. Trust me, my friend, once you start using these tips, you'll see just how easy it is to make her fall for you. But first, an important warning. There are some compliments you should never make seriously. Have you noticed how many shy guys get nervous just at the thought of talking to someone they like? A big fear for many men is being misunderstood with a compliment which could lead to rejection. They think, what if she doesn't get it? Or what if she takes it the wrong way? And just like that, they fall into the dreaded friend zone, or worse yet, get totally ignored. For example, just complimenting her looks or dropping those drooling emojis on social media. That doesn't cut it, man. If she's not in the same vibe, you'll come across as just another face in the crowd. Now here's the secret. The power of compliments is in the details. It's about noticing the little things she likes. Got it? If she changed up her look, cut her hair, or put on a new shade of lipstick, and you give her a sincere compliment saying you noticed, and it looks good on her, that's your move right there. It's like saying, hey, I noticed the little changes you make, and you're looking amazing. And there's more notice when a girl picks her outfit carefully, especially when she's going out with you. That's a clear sign. She's interested if she's putting extra thought into her look with new sneakers or a different pair of earrings. She wants to impress you. Believe me, she'll be thrilled if you notice those details. Number 2, which is simply compliments. Number 2, amazing. The point is to truly win someone over. You need to go beyond surface-level compliments. You have to show that you notice the details, the little gestures that makes all the difference. My buddy, praising someone's personality is a strong way to indicate that you genuinely see them. When you say something that goes beyond appearances, it's like saying, I see who you truly are, and that's what attracts me. Imagine if you compliment her calm demeanor, her self-control, or even her tone of voice. It's like you're paying attention to every detail, and that's amazing. And when you compliment these personality traits, you're demonstrating that you're different from all the other guys out there who only focus on appearance and forget that people are so much more than that. Whether she's more laid back or prefers to go out and compliment those things, it shows that you're genuinely interested in who she is on the inside rather than just her appearance. Number 3, which is fantastic, is when you compliment her behaviors or even the qualities you'd love for her to exhibit, like saying you're so kind. I adore your sense of humor and openness. And the fascinating thing is that when you give her this kind of compliment, she starts acting in the same way. It's as though you're sowing a tiny seed in her brain, and she starts acting accordingly. This is a genuine connection, my friend, And you understand why it's so potent, because these compliments are emotional. If you want to stand out from other guys, use these emotional compliments. They're a direct route to her heart. And trust me, my friend, once you figure out how to touch her emotions, she'll be completely drawn to you and think you're her ideal partner. Women are moved by emotions, and the more you arouse those feelings, the more interested she will become in you. The fourth compliment is to express gratitude for her interests and passions. By praising her hobbies, personal endeavors, or even her work, you demonstrate that you respect her for more than simply her looks. I truly admire your dedication to your work, and it's incredible how passionately you discuss what you love. This goes far beyond simple compliments. It demonstrates that you value her passions and pay attention to what makes her happy. By identifying what motivates her, you become someone who genuinely cares about her as a person rather than just as an object of desire, and by valuing her passions, you demonstrate a genuine interest in what matters to her, forging a deeper connection. This kind of praise helps her feel heard and inspired to talk more about herself, which opens the door for meaningful talks. The more she shares, the more emotionally you two connect, which is crucial for enhancing your relationship. The fifth compliment: commend her accomplishments and growth. Recognizing her own growth and accomplishments, no matter how minor, is a potent approach to establish a bond. Saying something like, "I truly admire how you're constantly trying to improve," or "how well you're doing with this." It's motivating and can make her feel valued and supported. This type of compliment is meaningful because it demonstrates that you notice her efforts, something that frequently goes unnoticed. Additionally, she will feel safe and appreciated by you, which strengthens your bond even more. When you celebrate her accomplishments, no matter how small, you're boosting her self-esteem and demonstrating your support for her growth journey. This fosters an atmosphere of mutual encouragement where she feels that you believe in her abilities. Thank you for watching the video. Lastly, I sincerely hope you have found this video entertaining. If so, please help us out by subscribing to our channel. Please like and share your experiences in the comments section. We'll see you in the future video.